Jojo married LV in 1999. However, they separated in 2004 and Jojo decided to work in Saudi Arabia, where he met Helen, who is also an overseas Filipino worker. He married Helen in Saudi Arabia in 2008. Jojo and Helen returned to the Philippines and stay here for good. However, when LV learned of this, she threatened to file a case of bigamy against Jojo. According to Jojo, LV already filed a petition for annulment of marriage 2 years ago in Quezon City. Thus, he wants to know if what LV is threatening him will prosper. Jojo, LV can still file a criminal case for bigamy against you because your marriage still subsists when you married Helen. From your story, you yourself said that the petition for annulment was filed by LV only 2 years ago or 6 years after you married Helen. Whether or not a decision was already rendered granting the annulment, the fact remains that you married another person while the first marriage is still in effect. The Supreme Court in versus People of the Philippines, GR number 183805, held that what makes a person criminally liable for bigamy is when he contracts a second or subsequent marriage during the subsistence of a valid first marriage. It further held that the parties to the marriage should not be permitted to judge for themselves its nullity, for the same must be submitted to the competent courts, and only when the nullity of the marriage is so declared can it be held as void. And so long as there is no such declaration, the presumption is that the marriage exists. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us, and it may change depending on any additional information. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at newscenterptv4@gmail.com. Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.